Hi everyone, welcome back to EET after a long time. So this time we have come to discuss with you ICSE 2025 examination, okay, specimen question paper of English language, and we are going to see whether it has been changed or is there. And good part this time is that the question paper is being complemented with an answer key. So your question paper and answer key both are uploaded on the portal of ICSE. So let us check once again that are there the things same or any different. Of course, the time marks remain the same. 2 hours time limit remain the same. You get 15 minutes reading time that remain the same. Okay, and let us see. You have to attempt 5 questions that remain the same. Even question 1, you are supposed to spend 30 minutes for question 1 and 20 minutes for question 2. So your question 1 is essay and question 2 is your letter. Okay. Now, another instruction which we see that the supervisor examiner should read aloud the instructions clearly to the candidates present in the hall. So let us, we are in this video, we are going to focus on the overview of the question, and subsequent videos we are going to see each question in detail along with the answer. So first question 1, we have essay where you have to, the word limit is 300 to 350 words. The first one we have, it's an original story. So write an original story, and remember, if it is saying original means it has to be original. There is no place for plagiarism. In which a woman, a strange neighbor, and a police officer form the main characters. You have to give a title. More we'll discuss in uh, later videos regarding how to write this story. The second question, your teacher has asked you to form a group and work on a particular project. Write an account on how you work together and what each of you learn from that experience. So, if this is your narrative essay, if this is a story, then this is your narrative essay, and every component you have to touch upon. Okay. Next, the third question is express your views either for or against. So, this is your argumentative essay. Peer pressure is a force for good. Do you think peer pressure is a force, okay, which is for good? Fourth, we have describe. So, it is a descriptive essay. Describe the locality in which you live. Give details of what you see and hear as you work around the locality. What specially you like about. So, this three components definitely you have to write paragraphs on. More detail you can add, but what you see, what you hear, and what you like. And the fifth one is the picture study, picture composition, what we say. Picture composition. Write a you can attempt this as a story or as a description or as an account. Okay. Your composition may be about the subject of the picture you have, or you can take suggestions from there, but there has to be a clear connection between the picture. So what we see in the picture, you can talk about childhood friendship. You can talk about that, see if you see the color of the skin. You can talk about racism. Okay, you can talk about bullying in the school. Okay, there are a lot of ways we can look at it. So in subsequent videos when we talk about essay, we'll do this in detail. The next question is question 2, that is our letter writing. Select any one. The first one is, of course, informal letter. Your uncle was unable to attend your birthday celebration but has sent you 1000 rupees as a gift. Write a letter of thanking him. So it's a thanking letter, telling him how you will spend the money and why you made that choice. So first, thanking you should be there. How will you spend the money? That should be there. And why did you make this choice? This point should be there. Second one is, so there is option, garbage bins in your locality have not been cleared regularly, resulting in overflow of garbage in the area. Write a letter to the municipal commissioner of your city complaining about the problem. This has to be there. And suggestion should be there of removal and cleaning of the place. So this is of 10 marks. and the essay was of 20 marks. So our 30 marks so done. Then we have notice an email. Our school is hosting art and craft exhibition. You have to write a notice. So all the details you have to put date, time, venue, and all the details. And the second one is email. You have to write to a local artist, inviting him or her, inaugurating the exhibition, and to be the chief guest. Okay. So next question is an unseen passage. So I'll make a detailed video of this particular passage, how to attempt the questions. Although we have the answer key, but how do we derive those answers, that we are going to see in details. I'm not going to read out the entire passage, just to show you that this is the passage what we have. It is from Ruskin Bond. Generally, I would suggest read stories of Ruskin Bond, okay, of Indian authors, of Satyajit Ray, Ruskin Bond. Read stories of them, R.K. Narayan, okay. There are high chances you can get passages from there. It is followed by three meaning question, okay. Now this time what we have seen, one is meaning, this is meaning, and one question they give of opposite also. Then followed by question answer, and the fourth next one is the summary writing. Now this time they have given two questions, so not always you're going to get, like, despite there are two questions. What, one question, how, one question, okay. Okay, so there are two questions that you have to answer. Let us come to the next part, that is the grammar components, question number 5, which is a tense based question. This also we are going to have a separate video on. We are going to solve this first, okay. Followed by we have phrasal verbs, or what we say, fill in the blanks with appropriate words, preposition. Next, that remains the same, join the sentences without using and, but, so, okay, with the four options. So this remains the same like the last year, okay. And next we have do as directed, that is transformation of sentences of 8 marks, which is also followed by four options. All of them have got four options, okay. So this is your, and along with that I want to show you that they have given us the components what they need. So this we will focus more in detail in each video when we attempt the questions. The answers are given, but how do we derive the answers, that will be explained, okay. So I hope this overview has helped you to understand the 2025 specimen paper, though there are no such changes, but we have an idea and glimpse. Stay tuned for more such videos, and if you really like, don't forget to subscribe and share with your fellow mates. Thank you.